It's Tuesday, November 7th. This is end of the day SPY recap. There's about 15 minutes to go in trading, but we can do a recap here. You can see we are, looks like ending up with a 2-up day where we kind of hold above the midpoint of the prior day, take out the high of the previous day and work towards our purple line target that we've been discussing on the weekly chart. After kind of anticipating follow through on this big green week higher, we got that, and we were kind of monitoring this area as high probability before anything else really happened. Even if we kind of started lower first, we're always kind of looking to take out that target. So once we take out that target, we're getting close to it. You can see there's still a fair value gap in here. We can go all the way up here, higher still, even though it's been a lot of days up in a row. You just have to kind of go day by day and kind of see when a potential pause, and a retracement takes place, which is not developed yet in any way, shape, or form. And today was just another day of that, where if you look between the pre-market range between the blue lines, very classic signal here. First bar just kind of neutral, inside bar 2, there's your buy on bar 3 right there. Inside bar to take out the intraday high and pre-market high, see what happens from there. And what happened from there is no pausing whatsoever, straight up on push number 1, orderly pullback, push number 2 up here, and it kind of paused up here, and now we're making, as the day closes, kind of a run to the highs and our target up here, which is still not reached. But whether we get there today or early tomorrow, still expecting that purple line to be taken out. So either way, today was a day with two very good opportunities on the long side. Opening move, secondary move to take out that intraday high, as kind of is my template that I always look for on directional days. And today, breaking out above the pre-market highs with this type of price action, that's the only thing to even be considered. Now, in terms of, tomorrow going forward, any kind of pullback, there's a lot of, space to potentially fill in here if we want to pull back, either once we reach a target or maybe before then. But we're going to have to get below the midpoint of this day. We're going to have to take out the weekly open over here. If we go up tomorrow, maybe we fall short of that today, we go up tomorrow, then come back through the midway point of that bar, that could be a sign that we're finally getting the pullback. But until you have that, there's just no reason to be doing anything to the sell side. And in terms of the bigger picture, if we could break through here and not even fail, there are targets still above that. So at some point, you'll get, I think, some red days in here. But in the end, we're going to have to really see now some kind of weekly reversal. And then once we get a weekly reversal, like I have always been talking about, I don't think it's going to be easy to kind of get back through this green bar to the downside. So any weekly reversal takes place that sets you up a little bit to the sell side, there might be good eventual buy opportunities in the bigger picture, on this quarterly chart to maybe fail to the downside and take out, those quarterly highs back here. We still have a few months to go to do that. But we will find out, if we hit this target, what really develops there. That could be an inflection point, and we will go day by day. But for today, another, clear day to the upside and a clear 2, push kind of move to take advantage of that.